Hello, everyone. Welcome to this week's Investment Trends, where we discuss the latest news in the stock market and the economy. So for this week, it looks like the three major stock market averages will be headed for a bit of a loss as investors start to digest the post-election stock market rally that we saw and take a bit of a breather. One of the things that's causing a little bit of panic in the market is Fed Chair Jerome Powell said in Dallas in an event there that he is in no hurry to continue to cut interest rates. This is right after they cut interest rates by 25 basis points last Thursday, and many are predicting that they will cut rates again in December. However, Fed Chair came out and said, again, no hurry to cut interest rates as he sees some policies. This wasn't said directly, but it is implied that some of the policies under President-elect Trump could lead to a little bit of inflation pressures going forward. Also around the stock market, one of the big winners this week was Domino's Pizza. So Domino's Pizza, it was announced that Berkshire Hathaway has taken an increased equity stake in Domino's Pizza. They saw their shares rise by 7% on Thursday. One of the stocks that's cooled off a little bit has been Tesla this week. So on Thursday, that stock was down 3%. However, this is coming off a 29% increase after the election last Tuesday, as it looks like Elon Musk could be one of the major benefactors of this Trump victory. One of the other things to digest this week has been some of President Trump's cabinet selections. So one of them, most notably, has been Robert F. Kennedy Jr., who has been a skeptic of some of the pharmaceutical companies. So when that was announced yesterday, we saw throughout the stock market, some of the vaccine providers' stocks started to decrease. So these include Moderna, Novavax, and Pfizer. So that could lead to some trouble for some healthcare companies, some vaccine producers with the Trump's pick of Robert F. Kennedy Jr. to join his cabinet. So a couple other things to be on the lookout as we head through the remainder of this year. There's no major headwinds for stocks as we are in a declining interest rate environment. A lot of the Q3 earnings reports from companies came back higher than expectations. And obviously, what we saw in the stock market after the president-elect Trump had won the election, energy stocks had continued to rise. So we saw energy stocks, we saw some financial and regional banks really start to take off as they believe that regulations placed on these companies and in these sectors will start to decline over the next 4 years. Also, it was confirmed earlier this week that the Republicans won the House of Representatives. So that could mean that any sort of tax legislation that they want passed or a continuation of the tax cuts from 2017 now seem very likely. So if you have any comments, if you see any investment trends that you are aware of, make sure you leave a comment below.